Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. And today we have another thing that we can unbox. And this one is nahproject. This is shoe from nahproject. This is a collaboration between Blibli and Star Wars. Let's unbox. So this the box. I think it's very cool, and the side is like this. Nahproject, and from just the simple nah, and also from the side we have another logo for nahproject. So let's unbox. All right, so this is this shoe that I've been told. This is the Bligley and nahproject. From my perspective, this is really good. The quality and the material about this shoe is amazing. Especially I like the combination, the color. There's a gray, white, black, and orange. Then there's Star Wars name here, and the side is like the logo of nahproject, and it's really strong, very cool. In the back here, like this. So I think this is really great with the decent price. Before the detail, you can see Star Wars. This is a real Star Wars Lucas film, and they even have like some collaboration between the producer of the series and Blibli and also the Star Wars. I think that's it for today unbox. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.